So you want to get more sales from your Facebook ads with a targeted audience that already wants to buy your product? This video is going to show you how to do it. So how are we going to show your ads to people who already want to buy your product? Well, we're going to create a retargeting campaign and create an audience that have already seen your product and are more likely to buy your product from you. If you're still new to Facebook ads and you're not sure about how to set them up, this is the fourth part in the series. If you go back to part 1, you can come into my YouTube channel, go to this playlist over here, and we show you exactly how to set up every single step of Facebook ads, from creating a fan page, a likes campaign, creating conversion ads, everything that you need. This will be the final part of the 4-part series where I teach you how to do retargeting. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kalhini and I create videos about how you can grow your business or your online business. We look at tools and websites that are going to be helpful in you to growing your business. If you want to hear more of these videos, make sure to subscribe below and I'll send you a notification every single time I create a new video so you don't miss out on any opportunities. If you find value in this content today, remember to drop a like at the end of the video. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Facebook Business Manager. From there, you're going to click over here onto Ads Manager. This is going to show you the ads that are running currently at the moment. I'm going to pull myself away just so I can show you guys what's going on in our Ads Manager. So in our previous videos, we created an ads campaign for the product Cinderella Solutions from ClickBank. As you can see here, the Cinderella Solutions, we're running on a £5 budget. We have got 633 results and we've come at 7 cents per result, which is really, really good. We spent a total in £44 and we have 464 link clicks, which is really good. This cost per result is really low, which is a really good thing. If it was a bit higher, maybe around £1 or £2, maybe you would cancel the campaign and try a different kind of ad copy, different kind of pictures, but 7 cents is actually really good. But now what we want to do is we want to create a retargeting campaign. So the people who haven't bought from here, we can send them another advert or a different kind of picture or a different style of ad copy to try and get them to buy the next time. So what we need to do, we need to go over here to the business tools, scroll down, and on the side here, you'll see audiences. When you get to the audiences, this is the page you're going to go into. So over here, we can create a custom audience. We can create a lookalike audience. We can save an audience. This will be like what we did before, where we selected gender, interests, the countries that they live in, and we can just save that, and so we can copy it onto each one of our adverts in the future. Or you can create a special ad audience. But in this one, we're going to create a custom audience. What a custom audience means is we can retarget somebody who's gone to a specific page. We can say retarget someone who's been to this page, but not that page. Or we can say include someone who's been to all of these pages, but didn't make it to the sales page. In a lookalike audience, what you can do is, what Facebook will do is, they'll create an audience that are similar to the people who have already been to your link. So they are most likely to buy because they have similar interests to the people who have already seen your advert. The saved audience, like I said before, is what we created inside of our ad. So let's create our custom audience. I'm going to put myself away again just so you can see what's going on screen. So for us, the link that we used headed over to a website. It depends what yours is doing. It can go over to a video, Instagram account, events, completely up to you. But we're going to a website. So we're going to click over here on website. This is going to bring up the page where we're going to add in our information. So over here, we need to select the pixel that we put onto our ads campaign. Remember, you used the Cinderella funnel pixel. So we're going to click on that. Over here, we can do many different things. We can do all visitors to the website. We can say people who visited specific pages, visited by timeout, by page view, by lead. You can choose exactly what you want to include and exclude from these people. So what we want to do is we want to go to specific people who visit specific web pages. So for the first one that we are going to create, we're going to retarget all the people that made it to the first question on the quiz, but didn't actually go any further than that. So we're going to come over here and we're going to get the link to our first page of our quiz. We're going to come back here and we're going to paste it inside there. And then over here, you can change how many days you want this to be. So all the people in the last 30 days, the people in the last 60 days, our ad's been running for about 2 weeks now. So we'll do the last 30 days. So with this audience, it's going to be everybody who's come to the first page, but not go further on inside of the quiz. So maybe we can send them something different. Instead of sending them to a quiz, maybe we send them to a video that explains it a bit more. Maybe they didn't like the quiz. So we're going to name this one first page only. And just so we know that they went to the quiz. Okay, so now that we've told Facebook who we want to include in the audience, we need to tell it who to exclude from the audience. So we want anybody who's gone further in the quiz to be excluded from the audience. So we're going to go exclude people over here on the side, the same pixel, and we want to change to a specific website or page. We're going to go here and we're going to make sure the people who did not complete the quiz. So we're going to open up our last page and we're going to copy this link. So anybody who completed the quiz will not get this retargeting campaign. Over there, we'll paste it inside. So now we have set up our first audience, the people who have made it to the first page but didn't complete the quiz. And we're going to click on Create Audience. That's going to do it for us. The availability is ready. As you can see here, the size is pending because Facebook still needs to collect all the data in order to show you how many people are inside of this audience. So we created our first audience of people who made it to the first page. Now we want to get to the people who actually completed the quiz. So we're going to click on here, create audience, and we're going to create another custom audience. So it already knows that we're retargeting a website from before. So we're going to do the same as we did before. We're going to go over here, people who visit a specific website, and we want to put the last page of our quiz in it. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it here. So this is everybody who made it to the final page of our quiz so that we can retarget them because they have gone through the quiz already and you can see they're interested in the weight loss products. So maybe we're also going to target them with a different kind of marketing strategy with a video, maybe explaining a story, or maybe a different sales letter, or we're going to need different pictures and ad copy to grab their attention because we already know they're interested in weight loss. So this is going to be Cinderella completed. Completed quiz. And we're going to create an audience. So everybody who went to that specific page is now going to get a retargeting advert. So what we can do now is we can create an advert with these two audiences in mind. So we can click done over here. And now I'm going to show you how to make a retargeting ad. So now we're going to create our ad using our retargeting audience. So the same as we did before in the previous video where we created the ad, we're going to click on here, create. It's going to open up the page. Again, we're going to want conversions because we're trying to sell our product. We're going to click over here. I'm going to move myself away so I'm not in your way. We're going to come down here and we're going to name this. Name this campaign Cinderella Retargeting. Over here, the name of our ad set, I'm going to put retargeting. And then we're going to make two ads inside of it. So one will be the people on the first page and one will be the people on the second page. So we don't need to make the ad set name yet. So we're going to go continue and it's going to go into make our advert. So we have a name of our campaign, the Cinderella Retargeting. This we're going to leave like we did before. Over here, we want to turn on our ad campaign budgeting. So we don't want $20 because that's way too high. So we're going to put in $5. And then as we make more money, we will increase our retargeting. We want to keep it on a low cost like we did in the previous video. We're going to click next in the corner over here. And now we're going to start our retargeting campaign. Over here, our conversions are going to lead to a website. The pixel we're going to select again, Cinderella funnel. If you would like, you can create a different pixel for this lead event to see which people are going with the retargeting campaign if you want, or you can just keep them on the same pixel. It's going to be a lead. We want it to start today, be 3:55 for me. So before we clicked over here where we changed everything about where we want them to be, their interest, all these different things. Instead, this time we're going to search existing audiences. These will be the audiences that we've created. So the first one we're going to do is the Cinderella completed quiz. It's going to show not available here because they still take a couple of days to get the information together, but you can start getting the ad going straight away. So we're going to do again the locations. We're going to put in our top 5 again. So United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Okay, we're going to scroll down the age again. We're going to want to edit that. I put it up to 25 and above because these are people with more money and people who are more likely to spend. We want to edit this because we targeted women in our previous one. So we have the woman, we have the language, we can put English again. Or automatic placements, we want to change to manual placements. Automatic placements are good, but I find you get more conversions when you have the manual placements. So for now, we just want it on Facebook. So we're going to deselect the rest. And then inside Facebook, they're going to put it on the news feed, on the marketplace, the video feeds, and the Facebook right-hand column. Over here, we're going to leave that. And then over here, our ad name. So here, we're just going to go completed quiz. And you're going to fill in the information. You're going to create a single video or image, or depending what you want to retarget with. Over here, you can put the ad creative. If you want to change it to put a video, you want to put a photo, it's completely up to do what you want to do with it. You can make a new ad copy. You can put in different headlines, different primary text, but you're always going to, and you're going to maybe make a new sales funnel. Maybe you don't send them over to the quiz. Maybe you want to send them over to a video. You can create the video inside Clickfunnels, and then you're going to get a new link, and we're going to put it over here. So now that you put in all your information, your ad copy, your pictures, or your videos, we need to do one for people who just made it to the first page. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to clone this one over here. Not the ad, we need to clone the ad set for the targeting. So action menu, we're going to quickly duplicate, and it's going to bring out another retargeting copy. So this one, we can say retargeting page 1. Over here, we have the same Cinderella funnel for the pixel, the lead conversion. The only thing we need to change is instead of Cinderella completed quiz, we can push exit there. We now want to use the ones who just made it to the first page. We're going to click on that, and now that's our target. Again, what I said before, it's not going to populate yet because Facebook takes a couple of days to find everyone. Everything else would be the same because we made a copy. We have all our different countries there, our age, our placements for our ads. After, we're going to click on the ad again. What you're going to do is this one, you're going to say, instead of completed quiz, we're going to name this ad set first page. Over here, then obviously you're going to select your single image or video. You're going to put your ad creative in your picture. You're going to send them over to maybe your video or your next piece in your funnel or something different than the quiz. So that completes our training on Facebook ads. What we've learned is how to create a fan page, how to create a likes campaign, how to create adverts, how to get your funnel from ClickBank, how to set it up, autoresponders, how to connect them, and everything that you need to start making money with Facebook ads and ClickBank. If you found value in this video, make sure to smash that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll send you a notification every single time I create a new video. I also have videos in my page if you'd like to get into TikTok ads, or maybe you want to find out how different things work or different ways to make money online. Make sure to go over to my page and watch those videos. I'll leave a link to some of them at the end of this video. And if you'd like to find my number way of how I create money online and how you can start your own online business and get the education that you need to start your own online business, there's a link below this video in the description. Click on that. It'll send you over to a video by me where I explain it a little bit more. and then you're going to get into it and get the education you need to create your own online business. Thanks for being with us today. Hope you learned something new. Have a good day.